Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Today we want to know about 6th standard science, health and hygiene part 2. Already we discussed components of food, deficiency diseases of vitamins in health and hygiene part 1 video. So today we want to learn balanced diet, malnutrition, protein and mineral deficiency diseases, physical exercise and introduction of microbes. So first we move to balanced diet. A diet which contains different types of food possessing the nutrients such as carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals and water in a proper proportion to meet the requirement of the body. Just observe the food pyramid. The broader base contains 40% bread and pasta, 35% contains fruits and vegetables, 20% meat, fish, milk and eggs. The remaining 5% occupies fat, oil, sugar and sweets. Next we move to malnutrition. When your diet is not a balanced, what would be the consequences? Observe the below picture carefully. Do these children look normal? Guess what would be the reason? The children are in this condition due to malnutrition. So what is malnutrition? It is a poor nutrition due to an insufficient, poorly balanced diet, faulty digestion or poor utilization of foods. Malnutrition is not only insufficient intake of nutrients, it can occur when an individual is getting too much nutrients as well. So risk factors for malnutrition. Number 1, literacy, low level of education, family, social economic factors, feeding and weaning practices, chronic infections like TB, HIV, cancer, age, sex, security status, season, weather, geographical locations. The diseases that are caused due to lack of nutrients in the diet are called deficiency diseases. Next we move to definition of deficiency diseases. Diseases that are caused by lack of some particular nutrient in a person's diet are called deficiency diseases. Next we move to protein and mineral deficiency diseases. Just see the pictures, kwashiorkor and marasmus. These conditions are protein deficiency diseases. So first we move to kwashiorkor symptoms. Producing belly, dark and scaly skin, underweight, loss of appetite, mental retardation, brownish hair, stunted growth, swollen legs, anemia, reduced resistance to diseases, diarrhea. Then number 2, marasmus. It is also a protein deficiency disease. Symptoms include poor muscle development, bone showing, no fat, weak legs, anemia, loss of appetite, grossly underweight, mental retardation, reduced resistance to diseases. Then next we move to mineral deficiency diseases. Number 1, calcium. Deficiency disease is rickets. Other symptoms include joint pain, brittle nails, muscle spasms. Number 2, phosphorus deficiency. Deficiency disease is osteomalacia. Symptoms include painful bones, irregular breathing, fatigue, anxiety, numbness, skin sensitivity, changes in body weight. Number 3, iodine deficiency. Deficiency disease is goiter in adult, cretinism in child. Number 4, iron deficiency. Deficiency disease is anemia. Symptoms include pale color of the skin due to decreased level of RBC in blood. The next, physical exercise and rest. Physical activity includes playing games, sport, yoga, exercise, dance, and active living. So definition of physical exercise. Physical exercise is any bodily activity that enhances or maintains physical fitness and overall health and wellness. It is performed for various reasons including increase in growth and development, strengthening muscles and the cardiovascular system, developing athletic skills, weight loss or maintenance, and enjoyment. Physical exercise may help to decrease some of the effects of childhood and adult obesity. So next we move to rest. definition of a rest. Rest is a condition in which the body is in a decreased state of activity without physical, emotional stress and freedom from anxiety. The next, personal cleanliness. So already we know very well about definition of hygiene. The word hygiene comes from the name of the Greek goddess of health, Hygeia. It is a set of practices performed for the preservation of health. The definition of hygiene is a science, the practice of maintaining good health through cleanliness. It includes such personal habit choices includes oral hygiene, bathing ritual, hair care, foot hygiene, toileting hygiene, hand hygiene, coughing and sneezing hygiene, and home hygiene. Next, we move to personal hygiene and frequency of cleanliness. Number 1, eye hygiene. Recommended frequency of cleaning daily every morning and whenever the face is dirty. Number 2, hair hygiene. Weekly twice, preferable once every other day. Number 3, body hygiene. Once or twice a day. Number 4, oral hygiene. Brushing twice a day, rinsing after each meal. Number 5, feet hygiene every day. Number 6, hand hygiene. Every time after touching contaminated surfaces, every time before eating and touching clean surfaces. Number 7, clothes hygiene. Once or twice a day. If you neglect personal hygiene, you are increasing the risk of falling sick. Some of the diseases or conditions caused by microorganisms. They are diarrhea, tooth decay, athlete's foot, Madurai's foot, and dandruff. Microbes cannot be seen without the help of a microscope. Most of the microbes belong to 4 major groups. Number 1, bacteria. Number 2, virus. Number 3, protozoa or protists. Number 4, fungi. So first we move to bacteria. Bacteria are very small prokaryotic microorganisms. Bacterial cells do not have a nucleus and do not usually have a membrane-bound organelles. Bacteria can exist either as independent organism or as parasites. They invade tissues. They produce a pus or harmful wastes. Bacterial diseases. Number 1, cholera. Mode of transmission, contaminated water. Number 2, pneumonia. Mode of transmission, inhalation of airborne droplets from a sneeze or cough. Number 3, tetanus. Mode of transmission, contamination of wounds with the bacteria. Number 4, tuberculosis, inhalation of airborne droplets from a sneeze or cough. Number 5, typhoid, contaminated food or water. The next, virus. Virus is an infective agent that typically consists of a nucleic acid molecule in a protein coat. It replicates only inside the cells of other living organisms. Virus can infect all types of life forms, plant, animals and microorganisms. They invade living normal cells and use their cell machinery to multiply. They can kill, damage or change the cells and make you sick. The next, diseases caused by virus. Number 1, rabies. Number 2, influenza. Number 3, West Nile virus. Number 4, viral meningitis. Number 5, polio. Number 6, common cold. Number 7, AIDS, HIV. Number 8, chickenpox. Number 9, smallpox. Number 10, yellow fever. Number 11, Ebola. Number 12, SARS. If you have any doubts and suggestions, give your feedback to the WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.